I was in traffic. And all of a sudden, the car just jammed ahead, and I almost hit the car in front of me.
Working at a dealership, you see it all, right? You see the good, the bad. Cars are machines, so things happen.
Now, I'm a little older, so different things matter. Having a vehicle that's safe is, to me, the most important thing.
It's all about building trust. Cars are their livelihood. They get kids to school.
We really do strive every day to provide an exceptional customer experience.
I jumped around from car to car for a long time. I went to Hyundai. I happened to find this Hyundai Kona, and we leased it, and I loved it. About a year and a half later, I was in traffic. The car surged.
We were going on a long trip, so we went in there for a regular checkup. They detected there was a problem with one of the control arms.
I'd never experienced anything like this. And when a manufacturer would call me up and say, we know you're having problems with the car, when we don't want you driving it, so we're going to get you out of it.
They did it throughout the weekend. They got the part in from another dealership. They took care of it. The car was ready on Monday. We did the trip. It was great.
Hyundai stood up to the plate for me. They really did.
We have the best warranty, which keeps customers driving out there on the road.
Hyundai's warranty really does provide customers with the peace of mind to know that Hyundai's going to take care of them during their ownership experience.
People don't want to have to worry. We make sure they're always safe.
My son came to me and he said, Dad, our family is expanding, right? So I need another car. And to me, the only option, and really the best option, was a Hyundai.